Okay, today we are making fresh fish. This is tilapia, whole tilapia. For those who have never seen how tilapia looks like, we have onion, green pepper, all the spices. You can use whatever you want, which you know what is good for you. But as for now, I'm using salt and the roicos and the turmeric. I have tomatoes, chopped tomatoes, and the a glass of milk. Depends if you want or you don't want. You can just use water, pure water. But if you want milk, yeah, you can use milk. In whatever the pan you're using, now I'm using the cooking pan. I have to put my onion. I've already put the oil on the pan and the oil is ready. I have to put my onion. Yes, sir. Cook your onions until they are golden brown. We pour our tomatoes. After putting the tomatoes, cover the pot for the tomatoes to cook a bit quicker. Then we add all our spices. Again, the spices are of your choices. If you like, you put whatever you like, whatever fits you. So I have to put my spices to cook together with the tomatoes. Then I cover and allow it to simmer for some time. Okay, the tomatoes are almost done. Actually, they are done. Okay, after the tomatoes are done, you pour your lemon. This is one lemon. The lemon juice, you squeeze the lemon juice. One lemon. The lemon I always use it to cook the fish for the smell. I don't like the smell of the fish because it is fresh. It might smell. Some people use it for the taste. Yeah, you can use it or you can use it or leave it, but I always use the lemon. You pour the lemon. After pouring the lemon, you pour a little bit of water. Again, I always use hot water because it is easier for me than cold water. After putting water, you put your milk. This is condensed milk. This is not fresh milk. This is condensed milk. You can use fresh milk or condensed milk. Or maybe plain yogurt if you like the plain yogurt. This is condensed milk. Okay, this is how our gravy looks like. As for now, allow it to cook for some time before you put the fish. And now we have to put our fish. If you put a lot of gravy or if you put a lot of water, whatever the thing you're using, the fish fish might not taste good. Please don't wash duvet while cooking fish, as in putting a lot of soup. That is what I meant. So put it, ensure that all the sides are good. Then cover the pot and allow the fish to cook until it is ready. Okay, now this is the final product. This is our fish, the one that we've been cooking. This is how it should look like, at least. Thank you for watching. See you next time.